Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open YouTube TV and go straight to Library to begin. This is where your recordings and saved items live. Once signed in, make sure your profile and household are correct so content syncs. Next, tap Recordings to see live shows you've saved. From here you can play, organize, or delete. If you don't see a recording, check that the show was set to record the series or single episode. Now you're ready to manage content. You'll now organize recordings so you find things fast. Start by applying filters like unwatched or by channel to reduce clutter. Once done, edit a recording settings to choose Keep until I remove or a timed retention like 9 months that controls storage and duplicates. Make sure to use Keep on individual episodes when you want exceptions. Also, create simple cues or use saved for clips and movies because grouping cuts search time and preserves important items. To finish, play content from library and cast to a TV or device by selecting the device icon. This keeps playback in sync. Make sure to free space periodically by deleting watched items or adjusting global retention so future recordings aren't blocked. If playback fails or recordings disappear, sign out and sign back in or clear the app cache. This often refreshes the library index. If problems persist, check your household permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.